working with my pressure.
Yeah, no problem.
This t-shirt is not good.
Okay. Ah, great. Yes. You are genius.
Ah,
Very great. You are a very good student, more than Japanese student.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when I saw your massage, I want to ask you 3 points. Okay. First of all, could you see our video?
Yes,
Yeah.
I can see.
Then, grasp your shoulder, and from left hand, you grasp your shoulder.
Shoulder.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Try again.
I do it like.
Yeah. 1.
You just need to do the other.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2.
Okay.
How many times?
Well, only one
Okay.
time. 1, 2, 3.
1,
Yeah.
2, okay.
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
Yeah. Ordinary only one times.
Yes.
And then, you 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. That time you can do that massage from only one side.
Okay.
You are standing left side.
Yeah.
Massage 1, 2, 3, 4 from the same side.
Same side.
Yeah.
But I repeat twice.
Yes.
I do it once or twice.
Yes.
Twice.
You cannot change your position.
I stay in one place.
Yes, one place. One place.
Yeah, I understand.
So,
I stay in one side and I do. But how many times should I repeat this?
two times.
2 times. 1, 2, 3,
Yes.
4.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That's enough.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
No way. You'd like to see no.
So please, like this.
I can.
Maybe better you trained and you train Noel.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Taniguchi,
Okay.
proceed.
Okay.
Please train Beth, and the Beth will train Noel later.
Yeah. Okay.
So let's proceed.
And then second. 2番目何だった？
肩甲骨の内容これは難しい。
Okay. Yeah. Beth.
Yes.
I will tell you. When you approach of inside the scapula.
Yes.
That massage is you have to pay attention only one line. Maybe I watched your massage. You massage it 2 lines. Not the 2 lines, only 1 line.
Okay.
Only
Okay.
inside of scapula.
So I massaged inside, but then I also did this point here.
So not the 2 lines, only one side. Please take a picture. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I thought your massage, you had the 2 lines, I think. 1, 2. Not like this. Only 1 line. Inside of scapula. Only this side. Okay?
Oh, so I'm not supposed to do the skeleton.
No.
This did
later.
here and I did here.
Yes.
So when am I
First.
supposed to do here?
First and the second and the third.
So when am I supposed to massage this point?
This second one.
Wait.
Yeah.
So
Only this one. You have to massage this line and 1, 2, 1 times, 2 times. Every time is same way, same position.
When am I supposed to massage the spine of the scapula, the skeleton of the scapula?
Not on scapula, inside of scapula, here.
Yes, I know.
okay, let me explain to you.
Okay.
Because you like this and this.
Yes.
Mm.
Only this.
Yes, I
And
understand.
then next you do this one.
Yes,
You do
yes,
this
yes.
one
Oh,
and you do this one.
Oh, so this one I only
And
do like
do
this.
this one 2 times. Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Oh, Mio-san, you're right. Yeah, thank you.
Use my gloves here.
Yeah, forget no.
Oh,
So this one only here for 2 times.
yeah.
And next you do
This one also. Okay, I understand.
Yeah.
I understand.
you do this one 2 times.
Yes.
Yes. That's it.
So try again that massage, please. Inside the scapula.
Okay.
Mio-san, can you show me that the massage on your angle of camera, please?
You would like to see the one for the
Thank
this
you.
one?
Thank you. Yes, good position.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Mm.
2, 3.
Mm.
1, 2.
Mm.
And
Okay.
then I go back,
Yes.
same place.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Yes. Very nice. Very good.
Thank you.
Okay.
1.
Okay.
Yeah, and then.
Yeah. And then. それかな? Yeah. Maybe on the wait a minute, please. もう一個、こことここやって、もう一個なんかあったな。あ、あれかな。こっちよかったのか。Okay. Okay, everything is okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, good massage. Yeah, very nice. Really, you are very clever.
Okay, one question.
Yeah.
Mhm.
In normal massages, we are used to massaging a knot until we finish. Pressure point, if it is very tight, we are used to doing that pressure point until we feel it has become soft.